It is 4:50 on this really cold morning across central Indiana. We're colder than yesterday morning. We even have some wind chills in the single digits at times. It's a cloudy start. We even have a little bit of patchy freezing fog and just really low clouds out there this morning. But we're dry headed out the door. Now, I will say the clouds are really low, so you could be thrown out a stray flurry. Those snowflakes are really small and you can't even see them on Live Doppler 13. But it's going to be a dry and cold day today. We are watching our next storm system develop to the north and west. The majority of the snow will stay to our north, but notice these new snow bands that are forming across parts of the plains and northern Ozarks. I think we're going to form more today, stretching into Illinois, and some of these bands will come into Indiana late this evening and overnight. Some more light snow is on the way. Snowiest start to the season in 36 years. We're cloudy and we're cold. Now, most times as you're headed out the door, the roads are okay, but you have to look out for ice patches and snow patches. I think a lot of times this is what it looks like. This is in Connorsville, but I think this is kind of representative of a lot of folks that are outside of Indianapolis, where you're going to have a lot of these slick spots, but a lot of open pavement too. Just keep an eye out. Sometimes the ice patches are really tough to see, and we'll keep a close eye on the interstates too. Most of the interstates are all right, but the shoulders are definitely icy. This morning, my goodness, it's cold. Teens and 20s. Those snow patches are almost impossible to move right now because it's too cold really for the treatment. Then you factor in a little bit of a wind chill, and we have it mainly from Indianapolis and kind of to the north a little bit this morning where the winds are stronger. They're a little bit lighter to the south, and that's where we have some patchy freezing fog. Not a huge deal, but you may have a little bit of light fog this morning. It's cold heading out there. Watch out. You may see a stray snowflake passing on by. It's not going to be impactful, but because we still have snow patches from yesterday, we have over 30 school delays across central Indiana. So a cold and mainly cloudy day ahead. Maybe we'll hit freezing. That'd be nice. Couple rays of sun. It won't feel like freezing though. We'll feel like we're in the teens and 20s for those wind chills all day long. So now let's talk about the snow chances ahead. We're dry today. It's a quiet, just cold day. When you're looking at Future Track 13, you'll see a lot of clouds. I do think we'll have a couple more sun breaks around lunchtime and into the early afternoon. But this evening, clouds will thicken back up as that front comes in from the north and west. We'll get some scattered snow showers. Here's the tricky part of the forecast, though. As that front comes in and sparks some of these snow showers, it could kind of slow down and get stuck. And if that happens, we'll get a quick burst of some snow showers early tomorrow morning before you're mainly up. I mean, this is kind of wonky, but there's a chance that we get a dusting to an inch in spots and maybe a few spots where we get stuck. You could even see a little bit more than an inch. Not a huge system for us, but it will be kind of cold and snowy again tonight. And we're looking cold over the next several days too. We're staying below average into the middle of next week.